What's the meaning of criminologist? Criminologist. Criminologist.
Criminologist. Criminologist. A criminologist is a professional who studies crime, criminal behavior, and their effects on individuals and society. They analyze data and statistics to identify patterns and trends in criminal activity, investigate the causes and consequences of crimes, and develop strategies to prevent and manage criminal behavior. Criminologists may work in law enforcement agencies, government organizations, academic institutions, or private consulting firms. With their expertise in the field of criminology, they play an important role in shaping criminal justice policies, promoting public safety, and reducing crime rates.